Well, welcome to the adventures of Bobby and Bobby. There hasn't been many adventures recently. I've done quite a bit to the truck so far, but I'm really getting carried away with a lot of stuff. Reached the point where most everything I needed to do has been done. And right now I got to clean up. There is a couple spots of rust underneath I want to clean up. But I just wanted to note about carrying spare parts. As you can see, I assume, well, you can't see really, there's a box there. That one is a alternator. Got another one that's a starter. I got spare hoses, spare boots. Normally carry extra fluids, tools. This stuff now, this is all the stock air cleaner stuff that's going back. This is the boot that actually blew off on me, but we're going to keep it because it really is not. We got an oil thing, really is for a 7.3, but it does fit. Extra belt, tensioner, cap, pulleys. Fuel pressure. So pretty much we have almost everything we need in case something goes wrong. Still got to get the Rhenology. I don't know why I always never pronounce that correctly. We're going to get that installed. And but right now I'm going to clean up this garage. Again, this bike over here needs something that's up with the brakes. They're a little mushy. Could be worn out. And let's see what else. There's Barbara's bike. It's I think it's a 2013 Softail Slim. Nice bike. Anyway, I got junk in here. Got to do some cleaning and organizing. As you see, you got boxes, generator under there. It's got all kinds of crap under here. I really need to clean this up and take this for a drive. Then we have to get a camper on this thing, whether we drive back upstate New York, pick up the Arctic Fox 1140, we buy another camper to put on top something lighter, or we build one, something like Truck House Life. Either way, we got to get this done, and because the weather is getting nice, and definitely not going to sit around and roast in Florida. And we'll come back soon with this video and show you this all cleaned up, hopefully. Or we'll have a part 2. Take care, like, and subscribe.